word of the day, prediction. We make our Super Bowl 59 prediction right here, right now. So let's get to it before we talk about anything else. Let's make it official, and we'll get to the injury report, and we'll get to all that. But let's get to this prediction, man. So, Smitty, we'll start with you. You've been thinking about it. You've been talking about it from inside the nest. You'll probably talk tomorrow on the check down. What is Smitty Eagles' prediction for Super Bowl 59?
31-21 Eagles.
31-21 Eagles. There you go. And my prediction for this game is 30 is my official prediction. So before we get to the game plan and how all that gets done, let's get to y'all's. Write it down in the chat. Let's go. 38 Chiefs. 38 Bears. Chiefs 31. Let us know y'all predictions, man. Super Bowl. Yeah, Miss Ash. Super Bowl champs. I said 30-20, and Smitty said, what'd you say again, Smitty, one more time?
31-21.
31-21.